Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following my content, you might remember the video I uploaded last week where we discussed Mill City Ventures, ticker symbol MCVT. Today's video is an update with some exciting new developments and fresh insights about the stock. For those who are new, I'll provide a quick refresher, but we'll also dive into the latest numbers, recent price action, and why this stock continues to show incredible promise. As always, this is not financial advice, and I still do hold a position on MCVT. So, to bring everyone up to speed, MCVT is a non-bank lender specializing in short-term high-yield loans. They target markets often overlooked by traditional banks, such as real estate bridge loans, litigation financing, and insurance settlements. Their business model is all about balancing high returns with risk mitigation, which makes them a unique player in the financial space. One of the new pieces of information we've uncovered is NCVT's updated solvency data. Their solvency score is an outstanding 93, showcasing their ability to meet obligations with ease. What's even more impressive is their zero debt. This is rare in today's financial markets. With over $20 million in assets and liabilities of just $491,000, MCVT remains financially strong, positioning itself for sustainable growth. Here's an important update on MCVT's earnings. In the third quarter of 2024, they reported a 93% increase in pre-tax earnings, reaching $589,000 compared to the prior year. For the first 9 months of the year, they achieved $1.26 million in pre-tax earnings. This is a massive improvement from a loss of $277,000 in the same period the prior year. These numbers speak volumes about the efficiency and profitability of their business model. I also want to revisit the insider activity, as it remains a major bullish factor for MCVT, is that over 72% of the company's shares are held by insiders, showing immense confidence in the stock's future. On top of that, their recently announced $2 million stock buyback program, it's already tightening the float, which at this time that I'm making the video stands at about 2.2 million shares. So this kind of insider activity and buyback initiative is really what we want to see. And I do want to cover some of the price action we've seen recently. So last week, MCVT hit a low of $1.90, but quickly rallied to close above $3 by the end of the week. So this momentum is significant because if the stock continues upward and breaks through the key resistance level of $3.88, we could be looking at potential price targets of $6 and even up to $9. This is a textbook technical setup that, in my opinion, suggests big moves could be ahead. And I also wanted to mention that when you compare MCVT to competitors like Sophie and Lending Club, MCVT stands out due to its focused approach. So while these larger companies have market caps in the billions, MCVT's $20 million market cap offers far more room for growth. This is a small cap stock operating in a big growth industry, which to me creates an asymmetric opportunity for buyers. I'd also like to mention that MCVT's lending strategy continues to focus on high demand, underserved markets. But here's what's new. They've seen increased demand in areas like adjudicated insurance settlements and business acquisitions, which could fuel even more growth. Their ability to adapt to new opportunities is one of the reasons they're thriving. We also cannot ignore the macroeconomic factors at play here. Trump-era policies like deregulation and small business incentives have created a favorable climate for non-bank lenders like MCVT. These policies reduce barriers to entry and encourage private lending, which gives MCVT even more opportunities to grow its footprint. So now with Trump coming back into presidency, it's something to keep an eye on. And I'd like to bring something else up from last week when I first uploaded the video. The short squeeze score at that time was 90. Now it's sitting at about 92. So this places a stock in the top 10% of short squeeze candidates. So we know that with the current float, the strong fundamentals, this is still a good setup going into next week. And guys, I just wanted to re-emphasize that they are profitable. They have over $6 million in cash liquidity, and they actually PR'd a loan with Coventry, which was at over 24%. So if we start doing the math here, we start breaking things down. 1 year at 24% on a $3 million loan equals about $720,000 in revenue add for the year. The price per share pre-announcement was about $1.99. Now the new target price with that loan and those profits coming in, it's about $4.81. So this should not be trading under $4.81 just based on its true value. That's also without the short squeeze. So something else to keep in mind here. Very important information, very important due diligence to keep in mind. To wrap things up, guys, MCVT continues to shine as an undervalued gem to me in the financial sector. Their combination of financial strength, insider confidence, bullish price momentum, and short squeeze potential makes this a compelling stock still. If you've enjoyed this update, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think about MCVT and whether it's on your watch list or not. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.